Hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain you how you can sign up on Worldremit. So let's get started. To begin, open the Worldremit app on your smartphone. If you haven't downloaded it yet, just head to the App Store or Google Play and install it first. Once the app is open, tap on Get Started. You'll now see a clean sign-up interface. First, select your country from the list provided. Once that's done, you'll be asked to enter a few details: your email address and a strong, secure password for your account. There's also a space to enter a referral code, but that part is optional, so feel free to skip it if you don't have one. After you've filled everything out, tap on Register. To help verify your account, the app will ask you to press and hold a button on the screen. Go ahead and do that to proceed. Next, you'll be prompted to set up a 4-digit PIN, which adds an extra layer of security for future logins. Once you create the PIN, re-enter it to confirm. If your device supports it, you'll also get the option to enable Touch ID or Face ID for quicker access. Just tap the option and authenticate using your fingerprint or face scan, and that's it. Your Worldremit account is now successfully created and ready to use.